Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to super clean your windshield. So it's gonna go from a dirty windshield surface to which water and more contaminants stick to into a very clean, haze-free, minimum glare, hydrophobic windshield that maximizes comfort and security. And to do so, we will need the following supplies: clean microfiber towels, a squeegee, a clay bar or razor blade scraper, dish soap, car wax, a glass cleaner, dishwashing sponge, and water. So without further ado, buckle up and let's get started. Before we actually start the cleaning, let's move the wiper blades out of the way. Now, pour water all over the windshield so that we can begin the cleaning process. The glass is so contaminated that the water is sticking to the entire windshield. The next step is to take the sponge with dish soap on it and start cleaning the glass in a circular motion while looking for obvious dirty spots and applying a medium pressure to clean and agitate as much as you can of the surface contamination. After cleaning the sponge, take the soft side and make another pass to pick up any loose dirt that might have been missed earlier. Go ahead and squeegee the soapy water while paying attention to the accumulation of dirt on the squeegee. Wipe it every now and then with a microfiber towel to avoid the transfer of dirt from one side of the glass to another. After cleaning the sponge, take the soft side and make another pass to pick up any loose dirt that might have been missed earlier. I don't know if you've noticed the bad upper windshield gasket. It's literally coming off in chunks. I will be making a video about how to replace it very soon. If you don't want to miss it, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video so far, a thumbs up will be great and it will tremendously help the channel. Now let's continue. For this step, I recommend using a clay bar for a deep clean, as it is a safe way to clean your windshield while minimizing the risk of scratches. But unfortunately, I don't have access to a clay bar where I live, and I'm gonna go with a scraper. If you can't find a clay bar yourself, you can also try very fine steel wool. With that out of the way, the scraping process relies on lubrication to safely remove contamination. Always lubricate. If you see a scratch, try not to go over it, as this might make it worse. Scrape using a 45-degree angle or less with minimum pressure. As the more upward you go, the greater the risk of scratching the surface. The scraper should only slide over the surface. Do not apply any pressure. You should aim to only keep the scraper at the desired angle, and the blade will do the rest. Once you're done, bring your glass cleaner and soak the entire surface. Then, grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe the entire windscreen using a circular motion. And flip the towel every now and then to avoid moving contaminants across the surface of the glass. Be aware that when working on your windshield, it is always better to do so in the shade to avoid the quick evaporation of the products you are using. And finally, we are now done with the cleaning. We should now proceed with the protection of our finished product. The result of the protection will be a windscreen that will repel both water and dirt, and most contaminant will be easy to wash away using water. This will help in the maintenance of the windshield and will also minimize the likelihood of scratches in the future. To do so, dip your applicator sponge or a clean microfiber towel in the car wax and apply it evenly on the entire surface of the glass. Make sure you don't miss the edges. Apply until you are satisfied and sure you've covered every inch of the screen. Wait until the windshield starts looking hazy and then take a clean microfiber towel and start buffing. This will take some time, but you will be able to take off all the residue from the glass. Just give it some elbow grease. Now, let's perform our water test and see just how easy the water beads down from the surface. Congratulations, you've officially super cleaned your windshield. Remember to clean your wiper blades as they are probably covered with dirt. Running dirty wiper blades on your freshly cleaned glass will ruin the entire work you just finished. Use water and wipe them a few times with a microfiber towel until there is no more dirt on them, and you're good to go. After all that work, just look how amazing the glass looks. And if we check from the inside that I didn't clean, you can see that there is no glare. The visibility is just amazing. We still need to clean the glass from the inside, but we will cover this on another video. I'm actually very pleased with the result.
So guys, if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and talk to you soon. Peace.